Hi, this is Marek and my new unboxing video, and today I'm gonna show you something really exciting. Most of you were unpacking all kind of printers, cameras, DVD scanners, other bullshit, you name it. So I've decided I'm gonna show you how to unbox a fucking new fridge. And here it goes. It's kind of huge one. Well, it weighs 80 kilos, and basically this is the Bosch 36627 fridge, which is kind of okay. When unboxing a fridge, you must be very carefully, because fridge is something you obviously don't want to spoil when unpacking. That's why we need these small scissors, which I use to actually cut my nails. But I'm gonna use them today for the unpacking the fridge. So first of all, you're gonna cut these two white strips. White strips. Okay, or you can just push them off the box. Yeah. Like that. Like that. Well, at least you can push off one of them, and then the other, and the other. By the way, that's a painting of my father. I'm gonna sell it to you for £600. Pretty cool one, yeah. Okay, so basically I cannot pull out the other one because it's tight. Okay, so as you can see, it's not that easy to unbox the fridge. I'll need a knife for that. Okay, so you take a kind of cool kitchen knife, and I'm gonna try to cut it. Oh, fucking hell! Shit! Ow, 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 ow! Ha! Ha! I'm gonna fucking cut you. Yes. So once that's done, we have to get rid of the cardboard box. However, I'm not sure how to do that properly. That's why I'm gonna use my brains and figure it out. So basically unpacking the cardboard box is much easier, and if you're expecting something silly or funny to see here, you won't. Because it's kind of very easy. You just have to. Ah! Ah! Ta-da! Well, thanks for watching my video on how to unpack a fridge. Bye.